Alright, so what do we got here? We have a lifestyle report as well for personal trainers and coaches with it's more specific for the Gen Pop as well, and not your average athletes too. You can use it, you just have to change the format a bit as well. So I've been working on this one as well through Vanilla Simple PT Solutions. I've been a trainer for the last 10 years, and this is just all based on experience, research, and hours and hours and hours and hours of research and stuff as well. So yeah, so check it out. So this is just a rough template as well. I've already to this version that I'm about to show you as well. So yeah, so you get client, your goals, your why, your nutrition barriers, all the important stuff as well, the behavior style, max heart rate, it's broken down into your 70% and your 8% plus heart rate zones as well. You got your age, your height, and your weight, body type, your BMR, male and female, and then chucking a little cheeky formula there, and that gives you your magic numbers. What else have we got? With the goals day 2, it is done in American, so it is a bit weird. When I enter this in as well, whoops, okay, that's wrong. So let's change this. Keep a look at the next goal date. Keep your eyes on the next goal date to see if it works, if it's been good to me. There you go. Alright, so the next goal date is on the 4th, if it's done in American. Okay, the 4th of the 3rd, which is January, March. Is that right? Yeah, March. Yeah, actually, that's right. So we've preset the dates to every 12 weeks as well, because that's how we program on our end as well. And yeah, you can definitely adjust it to yours too. Date of birth, confidence, all these important questions as well. Over here, we got the weight tracker too. So how this works is we enter in, come back here. So say the client wants to lose, I don't know, they're 120 kilos and they want to get down to 110. Boom. So what happens is that if you saw the difference, that shows that they need to lose 10 kilos. They want to lose 10 kilos or more. With this, the weekly weigh-ins, so every time you enter in each weigh-in, you can't see it on the chart, but the chart updates and there's the difference, As you can see, the charts over here, just kind of updated as well. And with the dates, if you enter in, say for example, check out the week number 2, watch that week number 2 date, boom, everything's done preset to a weekly basis as well, because you obviously want to weigh in your clients each week, so you can see that. You have the goal sections for the client as well. The color coding is basically for the way we program every 4-week block as well, giving us 3 4-week blocks in a 12-week program. With these two numbers that you see over here and up top as well, this gives us the difference, the total difference of how much the client actually lost or gained. So yeah, this is what we got so far as well. I have started another one, making a few adjustments, and I've included the calories, the total daily energy expenditure, and I've done a few other things with that too. So I'll upload that in the next one. This is Vanilla PT Solutions, making it easier for PTs.